Have you ever sat at the edge of your bed in the morning, waiting for your body to catch up with your mind? You're awake, but your legs don't feel steady. Your arms feel weak. It takes more time and more effort just to stand up. And you wonder, was it always like this? If you're over 60, you're not imagining it. That gradual loss of strength, stability, and confidence in your own body is real, and it has a name: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. But what many people don't realize is that sarcopenia isn't just a matter of aging, it's a matter of neglect. Your body is asking for support, and most people simply don't give it what it needs, especially at night. Because here's the truth: your body does its most important rebuilding work while you sleep. That's when your muscles regenerate. That's when your tissues recover from the strain of the day. But for that magic to happen, your body needs fuel. Not in the form of exercise, not in the form of supplements. It needs very specific nutrients delivered at the right time before bed. Tonight, I'll show you exactly what to drink before sleep so your muscles don't keep fading away. No gimmicks, no fluff, just practical steps to help you rebuild strength every night while you rest. Let's begin. You see, after 60, your body doesn't process nutrients the same way it used to. Your digestion slows down, your absorption rate decreases, and your muscles need more high-quality protein and amino acids to repair themselves, especially during sleep. But here's the kicker: if you don't give your body what it needs before you go to bed, it may actually start breaking down muscle tissue just to fuel basic overnight processes. Yes, you heard that right. Your own muscles can be sacrificed simply because your body doesn't have enough to work with. That's why bedtime nutrition is so powerful and so overlooked. While most people obsess about breakfast or what they eat during the day, the truth is that your night meal is the most important for recovery. Imagine your body as a builder. Sleep is the work shift. But without materials, proteins, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, nothing gets built, nothing gets fixed. The wear and tear continues, the cracks deepen. But with the right nutrients, the opposite happens. Your muscles get reinforced, your joints feel smoother, your legs feel more stable. And your mornings, they become easier, lighter, and more independent. That's why I'm about to walk you through a series of drinks that will change how you sleep and how you move in the morning. These are not just calming drinks. These are functional, science-backed nighttime tonics designed for people over 60 who want to stay strong. Let's begin with one of the oldest remedies in natural medicine: golden milk, a warm blend of turmeric, milk, and a touch of black pepper. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory root. It's been used for centuries to reduce pain, improve digestion, and protect joints. But what most people don't know is that turmeric also enhances muscle recovery during sleep. It reduces oxidative stress and allows damaged tissues to repair more efficiently. When combined with warm milk, preferably plant-based or lactose-free milk if digestion is a concern, the result is a calming drink rich in tryptophan and magnesium. Both nutrients promote relaxation, deeper sleep, and hormone balance. The black pepper? That's not for flavor. It's there to unlock curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, making it 2,000% more absorbable. I often recommend this drink to seniors who struggle with stiffness in the morning or soreness after a long day. One man, 78 years old, told me he started sleeping better within 4 days of trying it, and after 2 weeks, his knees felt less noisy. His words: "The recipe is simple: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, 1 cup of warm milk. Stir gently, and sip slowly about 30 minutes before bed." You're not just relaxing, you're laying the foundation for strength. Next up is a surprising favorite: the banana almond bedtime smoothie. It may sound indulgent, but don't be fooled. This combination is a muscle-building powerhouse disguised as dessert. Bananas are high in potassium, which helps prevent nighttime cramps, a common issue for older adults. They also contain vitamin B6, which supports serotonin production, the precursor to melatonin, your sleep hormone. Almonds? They're packed with magnesium and plant-based protein, but more importantly, they contain leucine, the amino acid responsible for triggering muscle protein synthesis, the very process your body uses to rebuild. This drink is ideal if you haven't had much protein at dinner. Blend half a banana, a tablespoon of almond butter, a pinch of cinnamon, and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Optional, a scoop of unsweetened protein powder for extra support. One of my clients, Margaret, 74, retired nurse, told me she'd wake up with her hands feeling weak and her grip less stable. After 1 week with this smoothie before bed, she said, "I woke up and opened a jar without thinking. I can't remember the last time that happened." The goal isn't just calories. It's giving your body the exact materials it needs at the exact time it needs them to repair muscle. This is not a snack. It's medicine disguised as comfort. Chamomile is known for its calming effects, but when paired with collagen peptides, it becomes a dual-purpose bedtime tonic, one that relaxes your mind while feeding your muscles. Chamomile helps reduce anxiety, improves sleep latency, and calms the nervous system, a must if you struggle with racing thoughts or light sleep. But collagen? That's where the real magic begins. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, and it's essential for connective tissue repair. That includes tendons, ligaments, and yes, your muscle integrity. After 60, your natural collagen production declines sharply, and most people never replace it. Add a scoop of flavorless hydrolyzed collagen to a warm chamomile tea, and you've just created a muscle recovery drink that works while you sleep. Just ask Jim, 69 years old, former tennis coach. He used to stretch every morning for 20 minutes just to get his hips working. After 10 days of nighttime collagen, he told me, "I'm not skipping my tea anymore. I wake up ready to move." It's not about having energy like you did at 30. It's about waking up feeling like your body isn't working against you. Collagen helps bridge that gap, one night at a time. For many seniors, the most disturbing part of sleep isn't insomnia. It's being jolted awake by a sharp, painful cramp in the calf or foot. These muscle spasms are not only painful, they're dangerous. A cramp can throw you off balance, cause a fall if you get up too quickly, or even make it difficult to return to sleep. One of the most effective natural solutions for this is a warm magnesium tonic with calming herbs. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation. It regulates neuromuscular signals and prevents involuntary contractions. But the issue is, most seniors are magnesium deficient and don't even know it. Over time, this can lead to chronic tension in the legs, sleep disturbances, and even high blood pressure. To prepare this nighttime mix, combine half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder with warm water and a dash of lemon balm or passion flower extract. These herbs further calm the nervous system and promote deep, uninterrupted sleep. One woman I work with, Lillian, 82, told me she used to fear going to sleep because the cramps were so intense. "I'd wake up crying, and I hate crying," she said. After starting the herbal magnesium drink, she hasn't had a single episode in over a month. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. A restful night reduces your risk of nighttime falls, keeps your muscles relaxed, and helps you wake up stronger, not sore. You've probably heard that protein is important, but did you know that your body doesn't store protein like it does fat or carbs? That means if you go too many hours without consuming it, especially overnight, your body can literally run out of the raw materials it needs to rebuild. That's why a light protein-rich snack before bed can be so powerful, especially for older adults. One of the best sources? Unsweetened Greek yogurt. It's high in casein protein, a slow-digesting form that delivers amino acids steadily over 7 to 8 hours. Exactly what your muscles need while you sleep. But we can make it even better. Add a teaspoon of chia seeds packed with omega-3s and fiber, and a drizzle of raw honey. The chia seeds help reduce inflammation. The honey triggers a small insulin response that helps your body shuttle tryptophan into the brain, improving melatonin production. A client of mine, Greg, 76, told me he never thought yogurt would fix his legs. But after 3 weeks of adding this to his nighttime routine, he said, "I started waking up without that heavy, dragging feeling in my thighs. That changed my mornings." Remember, you don't need to eat a full meal, just enough to fuel the recovery. This combo works because it delivers what your muscles crave while you sleep, not empty calories, but targeted support. Let's bring it all together. You've just discovered 5 powerful bedtime drinks and snacks that can support your muscle recovery, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep quality every single night. But how do you make this a habit? The answer is simple. Create a bedtime muscle ritual, a set routine that prepares your body and brain to enter a state of deep, healing sleep. It doesn't take much, just 20 minutes, and it goes like this. Step 1. Dim the lights, reduce screen time at least 30 minutes before bed. Step 2. Make one of the nighttime drinks you've learned today. Golden milk, banana almond smoothie, or herbal magnesium tonic. Step 3. While sipping, take 5 minutes to do gentle stretching, legs, hips, shoulders. Step 4. Sit in silence or with soft music and focus on one thing, what you're grateful for that day. These 4 steps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and repair mode. They calm your mind, relax your muscles, and create the ideal conditions for recovery. Seniors who follow this routine consistently report not only better sleep, but better mornings. Less pain, more energy, better balance. Because strength after 60 isn't about lifting weights, it's about consistency. And the best time to rebuild, it's not at the gym, it's during sleep. Let me share a few powerful stories that prove these methods work. John, 74, was diagnosed with mild sarcopenia. He said he was scared of shrinking into someone he didn't recognize. I helped him implement the banana almond smoothie and magnesium tonic nightly. After 2 months, he told me, "My legs feel like mine again. I even walked 2 blocks without stopping. I haven't done that in 5 years." María, 70, tenía problemas con su gripa. Abrir rótulas, levantar potes, todo sentía como estrés. Empezó a añadir colágeno a su té de camomila. 6 semanas después me llamó en lágrimas. A lágrimas sentidas. Sentí que me abrazó mi nieto y no me sentía débil. George, 68, suffered from restless sleep and leg cramps. He was skeptical of all natural stuff, but he tried the magnesium lemon balm drink, and within 1 week, no more cramps. "I sleep like I'm 30, he said. "I'm back in control." These aren't magic results. They're physiological responses to consistent, targeted support. When your body receives the right tools, it heals, it recovers, it rebuilds, and you get your strength and independence back. Now you know the truth. Your muscles don't have to fade. Your nights don't have to be restless. Your mornings don't have to start with stiffness or fear of falling. Every choice you make before bed is either supporting your strength or silently taking it away. But here's the good news. It's never too late to change. You've learned the drinks. You've learned the nutrients. You've heard the stories. Now it's time to take action. Pick just one of these bedtime rituals. Start tonight. Feel the difference. And once you do, add a second, then a third. Because momentum builds and strength returns. I invite you to leave a comment below. Which drink will you try first? What part of your nighttime routine needs improvement? Your voice matters, and your story could inspire someone else to begin their journey too. And if this video helped you, please click like, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend or loved one who deserves to feel stronger longer. You deserve restful nights, you deserve strong mornings, and you deserve to live every year of your life with power, clarity, and dignity. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, sleep well, stay strong.